right, and so I just want to cheers to my new husband.
For me to talk about our hopes, my hopes and dreams for our future. And I just hope that we're all as happy as we are now. And that we're blessed with many children. We've talked about everything that we hope for. And I just want all of those things to come true. I love you and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
It's been an amazing, amazing journey to this point. You make my life so much better. Together we are going to do amazing things. We're going to have an amazing family. We're going to keep our faith. We're going to grow together. We're going to be challenged. And we're just going to get better. When I think of what it's going to be like when I see you walk, I just can't believe it. I can't put to words what it's going to be like. And I can't put to words how great it's going to be married to you. I love you. I see you at the altar.
Andrew,
Andrew,
take this ring
take this ring.
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
Take this sign as the love of my... Wait, what?
As a sign
As a sign
of my love
of my love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
You know, I'm happy because I kind of look up to him. I'm not gonna lie, I look up to him. He's a good role model. He's a great friend, and Serenity and Andrew, wish you a lifetime.